safe. So let's just pray for our kababayans and uh, I couldn't say anything more. I'm having this nosebleed in speaking English. So, hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and this is Astroboykid. Uh, and I'm here to give you an update 9 days after the Taal Volcano erupted. So I just woke up listening to the television, and as seeing it, there is this debate on the status, because there are now people who are complaining that Taal Volcano is now a little bit calm, and but still, as per the authorities, the Philvocs, according to them, the alert level is still high at level 4. That's why they could not allow people to go back to their houses as of this time. So um, maybe you are wondering why I am speaking the English dialect. It is because maybe, just maybe, there are also some other people who are watching outside of the Philippines or from other countries. That's why I would like to attempt to speak in other language aside from our local language, which is Tagalog. But if you would want me to speak in Tagalog again, just comment down below. Or maybe if you wanted me to speak in English language, okay, you can also have that comment below there. So as of the moment, going back to the topic, or going back to the issue, I am just wondering, because as I wake up this morning, 9 days after the Taal volcano erupted, there is this noise, and as we understand, there are these people living in that area, affected area, wherein they are now wanting to go back to their houses. But according to authorities, the field folks and other people who are concerned, better yet not to go back to their houses, because the alert level is too high that anytime soon the volcano might erupt, of which could possibly give more damage to the properties, more so to the people, and to the extent to risk some lives. So better not to go back to their houses as of the moment, because it is still active. It is just a little bit calm, but not safe to go back to their houses. As of the moment, better to be safe, and also to give prayers for those people who are really affected, because it is very sad to see that they are now living in a evacuation center, wherein a lot of people, or our kababayans, are now helping these our people in the evacuation center. But lest we forget that the trauma or the experience, it cannot be erased as of this moment, because there's a lot of people who are affected by this experience and the scenario, although they are now being given attention, wide attention, so much attention by the media and other mediums, for us to assist those people who are in need, especially those who are really affected by the eruption of the Taal volcano. We need to understand the situation, the feelings of those people who are affected, because they're the ones who are feeling the uh, the uh, the actual, or they are on, as we can see. It's so easy for us to say that it's okay, but actually if you are the ones, or we are the ones on their shoe, it will be uh, difficult. Just like us, we are our location is a bit far from the actual place, but still we are feeling the the eruption of the Taal really affected our place. Although we are just experienced the ash fall, but still it really affected us to the extent that there's a lot of places who are still covered with the ashes, or the alikabok, which could result for other illnesses. That's why, how about them who are really living in the nearby areas, or in the evacuation center? It will be hard for them, especially that um, not 24 hours. There are, I guess, there it's not 24 hours that they have this assistance with them. That's why a lot of their public officials concerned really are uh, depending on the announcement of people in authorities, like just like the Philvocs. So as long as the level 4 is around, or the the the, the announcement is still that the volcano is active and it will soon be erupting. Nobody knows about the eruption, so better be safe as of the moment. So just extend some help that could be uh, that if you have an extra of, if we have some help that could be extended to those who are affected by this eruption of the Taal volcano, good to help one another. So uh, in behalf of those people who are affected, we're thanking those who already have given or extended their help to those who are affected by this could we call it the calamity. We need to also understand the people in authority about their concern of safety, and just to have this assurance that nobody will be hurt, and everybody will be safe, since that the status of the Taal volcano is not yet being determined, because it's still at the level 4 status. So let's just be very uh, let's have this let's be vigilant in knowing the status of the volcano by listening to the radio, watching TV if there's electricity in the area, or to at least have this let's be updated of what's going on within that area, because although Taal volcano is just very small, but this is one of the most active volcano here in the Philippines. So most probably it could reach to as far as to other places in Luzon. So it's eruption, if it will happen, so a lot of people will be affected as well. So let's just again pray for everyone's safety, and reach out and help out whatever we can to those people who are in need. Even us here in the place where I am right now, is really also is a feeling of fear. uh, how much more those people who are really near the area or within that what they call 14 kilometer 14 kilometer radius, which could be affected once the volcano will erupt. So let's be safe, and let's just be aware of what's going on, because this is not just a one day event. It will be there as long as Philvocs is not announcing that the scenario is already cool down, or if the scenario is really safe. So let's just pray for our kababayans, and uh, I couldn't say anything more. I'm having this nosebleed in speaking English. So anyway, since this video is made for me to try to speak this English, um, maybe in some other time, I could also adjust my speaking ability, or maybe I could do some improvement. Although I'm still learning the language, still I am more comfortable with our local language, which is the Tagalog. And maybe I could also maybe by surprise I could also talk, or I could also speak other languages here, aside from Tagalog. So in some other videos maybe I could also include that. So just be safe, guys, regarding the incident of Taal Volcano eruption. I'll be putting the link of the videos that I have created pertaining to that incident, because I have this video that I have witnessed the ashfall, and I also have this video a day after of the incident. So I'll just check my description down below for this video, so that you can also see what's there during that time. So, and thank you so much for watching my video. And if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do click that subscribe button, and try to hit that notification bell, so that you will be updated to the to other videos that I am putting in here on my channel. And if you like this video, you can also click the thumbs up button. And again, this is Astroboykid, and see you for my next vlog. Bye bye.